Find out in this video what Time Magazine's 2021 Person of the Year has to say about Cardano. I believe that Elon Musk's new tweet can reveal Cardano's future price. Make sure to stay tuned until the end so you won't miss a thing. In the early months of the fourth quarter of 2021, Cardano has the third most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Despite the victory, it appears to have been temporary. Tether, the world's most secure currency, knocked off the decentralized blockchain platform in the last week of September, even as the rest of the crypto market was confused about its direction. During the night, the gap between the two grew to $3 billion, then narrowed to just $1 billion by daybreak for Cardano to regain the lead. This isn't the first failure Cardano has been dealt with this moon. The market capitalization of ADA has reached $87.65 billion following the Alonzo hard fork update in August, and some hope that the currency is positioned to surpass Ethereum in market capitalization. But in the end, the platform did not reach its triple-digit target. Despite the numerous new partnerships announced by the platform, the slumping cryptocurrency market was not enough to protect Cardano from the recent decline. Further, Input-Output, the company behind Cardano, recently announced two new partnership announcements. One uses the Oracle protocol Chainlink, while the other uses the Dish Network Fortune 500 company, a satellite television provider based in the United States. Additionally, Cardano developers can publish their distributed applications in a trusted, democratized publishing platform, the Plutus App Store, to show off their work without fear of censorship. Just as Google and Apple have separate app stores for Android and iOS, the Plutus App Store offers users access to Cardano applications. If that weren't enough, Emergo, a commercial and venture capital firm that specializes in cryptocurrencies, announced this week that it has raised a new $100 million round of funding to expand the Cardano ecosystem. So in what way does market capitalization matter? By comparing the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, investors can determine whether they should invest in coins with growth potential compared to their peers. Furthermore, in the global market, a digital asset that has a higher market capitalization will be more dominant. With cryptocurrencies being in such a volatile environment, it is more likely they will survive the flow of time. All cryptocurrencies, not just Cardano, are experiencing a roller coaster in the fourth quarter of 2021. Moreover, we all know that in the past months, the crypto market has been combating the fears, doubts, and uncertainties created by China. Despite its anti-cryptocurrency stance, the country has promised to suspend cryptocurrency activity within its borders. China's declaration was initially dismissed as another horrific tactic by the crypto market, but the bigwigs didn't react the same way. Meanwhile, Huobi and Binance, two of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, have announced that they will no longer be accepting applications from users based in China. Also within 24 hours, the second largest Ethereum mining pool in the world, Spark Pool, closed down. It is also reported that Alibaba, a giant of the Chinese e-commerce market, has discontinued selling mining equipment. There is no question that Cardano ADA is experiencing a massive bear market these past weeks and has fallen from the third largest cryptocurrency to the seventh largest. So how soon can we expect a recovery for Cardano ADA? Moreover, no one has been more influential in driving up the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies than Elon Musk, but his concerns about the cryptocurrency's environmental impact are unlikely to be taken seriously. Using the cryptocurrency, Tesla's chief executive filled the company's coffers with $1.5 billion or 1.2 billion euros. However, he made a U-turn earlier last May when he announced Tesla would cease accepting Bitcoin for the purchase of cars because of rapidly increasing fossil fuel use for Bitcoin mining. After the announcement, the price of Bitcoin fell by about 5% within the first 5 minutes and has been volatile ever since. Moreover, Musk gained support from Bitcoin miners by meeting with them to discuss making the cryptocurrency more environmentally friendly. Musk announced in a tweet that Bitcoin miners in North America would publish current and planned renewable usage, which was potentially promising. Furthermore, experts question whether Musk's comments will have any impact since there is no financial incentive for mine operators to change their environmentally friendly practices. For instance, Alex DeVries, economist and founder of the Digiconomist website, told Euronews News, Elon Musk will like it to happen, but there is absolutely no natural incentive in the system to try to make it happen. Miners don't have the luxury to care about the environment because this is an extremely competitive market. All these miners are competing against each other for the rewards that are available through mining, and their most important cost factor is electricity. Also, DeVries pointed out that solar power was not an option because it has less stability than fossil fuels and can only be used for part of the day. Nevertheless, Bitcoin machines are not the only thing that is polluting the environment. Moreover, it is also not sustainable to use heavy equipment. Furthermore, it is believed that highly specialized equipment used in mining will only last for 1.5 years before it is thrown away because it is unable to be used for any other purpose. So how is mining Bitcoin environmentally damaging? Based on the latest figures from BitcoinEnergyConsumption.com, the country is expected to emit over 57 million tons of CO2 annually, which equals about the same as a small European country such as Norway or Ukraine. In the case of Bitcoin, one transaction is roughly equivalent to throwing away 135 grams of equipment, which equals the equipment weight of an iPhone 12 mini. As such, in an interview with Euronews, Larissa Yorovaya, deputy head of the Center for Digital Finance at the Southampton Business School, said it doesn't seem that Bitcoin investors care much about sustainability. They think that they can use energy as any other industry. They paid for this energy and they can use it in any way they like. So what are the possible solutions? It is common knowledge that Bitcoin and Ethereum make use of what is called the proof-of-work system. Further, the mechanism enables new blocks to be added to the chain when transactions are completed. Nevertheless, to complete a transaction, the system is dependent on a global network of computers working at the same time, and it is this design that encourages more processing effort, which is why it uses so much energy. Meanwhile, if Bitcoin switched to the less energy-consuming proof-of-stake mechanism, Bitcoin could do the same as Ethereum by allocating coins randomly to users who place coins as collateral. Ethereum, however, has experienced significant difficulties in making the transition, which may deter people from using it. One way to solve climate concerns is to get governments to impose fixed regulations. However, it is crucial to maintain the balance between the two sides of cryptocurrency, since it was born out of a sentiment of anti-establishment and decentralization. Does this mean that Cardano's green cryptocurrency ADA could take over Bitcoin and Ethereum? Following a recent price surge as blockchain enthusiasts look for more climate-friendly options, the little-known cryptocurrency Cardano ADA emerged as the third-largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum in mid-2021. However, the current trend of Cardano is known to be bearish and even fell to the seventh-largest cryptocurrency. Founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson and launched in 2017, Cardano was considered a sustainable cryptocurrency. With this, investors had received 7,080% of their initial investment back. With over 13,000 million tokens, Cardano is the largest cryptocurrency to utilize a proof-of-stake blockchain model, considered a greener option. Due to crypto enthusiasts becoming more sensitive to the environmental impact of cryptos, Cardano has an edge over Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is a possible contributor to its popularity and success. Furthermore, recent figures from BitcoinEnergyConsumption.com estimates Bitcoin's annual emissions at more than 57 million tons of carbon dioxide annually, which is about the same as a small European nation's carbon footprint. In the meantime, Iran and China temporarily banned crypto mining this summer due to sapping too much power from the computers involved in the process. Using proof-of-stake, users put up coins for collateral, and coins are randomly allocated to them. As opposed to the proof-of-work mechanism of both Bitcoin and Ethereum, this enables transactions without the need for thousands of computers to be running at the same time. The idea behind this method is to encourage more energy-consuming computation for transactions than proof-of-stake, which uses much less energy. On its website, Cardano says, "We have changed science." Additionally, they have restructured what it means to create global systems and sustainably governed exchanges. Further, they have stated, "We, alongside our community and partners, are defining a new future, a decentralized future without intermediaries, in which power is returned to the individual." In light of this tweet from Elon Musk, it is likely investors are searching for a replacement for Bitcoin in terms of sustainability, and Cardano is the best option. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comment section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.